Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda. Today I'll be teaching you about domestic animal names in isiZulu. Inkomo, 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 nko. Inkomo means cow. Imbongolo, imbongolo, mbo. Imbongolo means donkey. Ihashi, she. Ihashi means horse. Inkukhu, nku. Inkukhu means chicken. Ikati, ka. Ikati means cat. Inja, nja. Inja means dog. Imvu, mbu. Imvu means sheep. Ihansi, Ihansi means goose. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.